Tamala Doss, and I'm a Client Success Manager at SAP Concur. Welcome to our Did You Know series, where we will share best practices and tips, allowing you to creatively solve problems and enhance current processes. Today, we will talk about expanding globally with SAP Concur. A global SAP Concur expense platform helps to automate, organize, and connect spending processes, provide support in localized languages, and stay compliant with international tax regulations. Let's get started. First, did you know that SAP Concur partners with experienced and trusted payment processors to automate global payments? ExpensePay Global can help streamline the expense reimbursement process with scheduled payments for corporate cards or your employees directly. By automating the reimbursement process with ExpensePay Global, you can expect greater visibility into all spend for your organization, a better end-user experience by improving communication regarding reimbursement dates, as well as a reduction in late fees and penalties for corporate card payments by ensuring that payments are made on time. For more information on ExpensePay Global and to see if it is available in your country and currency, please reach out to your client success team. Second, did you know within your SAP Concur platform, you can designate the forms and fields your end users will see while completing their expense report? Policy groups on the standard platform or policies and groups on the professional platform allow organizations to define a collection of users that share the same set of policies and configuration data. For example, if your organization has specific requirements for the global locations or various departments, then you, the authorized support contact, can define a specific policy group or policy and group for that set of employees. To learn more about enabling these configurations in your site, please reach out to your client success team. Next, did you know that SAP Concur offers various forms of support in localized languages and time zones? The free-to-use administrator and end-user training toolkits found on concurtraining.com are available in different languages with guides and FAQs for Concur Expense, Concur Travel, and Concur Invoice. Another support option for your end users that is available globally is User Support Desk. End users can contact User Support Desk 24 hours a day, 7 days a week via phone, chat, or email. To learn more about SAP Concur training toolkits, please visit the links below. And to learn more about User Support Desk, please reach out to your client success team. Finally, did you know tax regulations vary country by country, and depending on where the expense is incurred, it may be eligible for reclaim? 54% of value-added tax is left unclaimed by businesses, but with Concur and Tax Assurance by VATBox, we can help to remove the compliance risk and maximize your potential VAT recovery. Concur Tax Assurance by VATBox helps to mitigate the challenge of staying up to date on constantly changing tax regulations and the manual transaction process by consolidating multiple data sources and processes into a unified digital workflow, digitalizing relevant receipts and invoices using optical character recognition or OCR technology, and delivering insights via a customized dashboard complete with analytics, segmentation, value reports, and audit trails. I hope you found these tips helpful. I'd encourage you to take these back to your organization and begin implementing what you've learned to ensure you are maximizing your SAP Concur solution. If you have any questions about these tips and want more information about Concur Tax Assurance by VATBox, please contact your client success team. Thank you.